Yaut, Ab Tlanugwa. Hello, I'm called Ab. And here is part 2 of the picture series that I've been working on. I call this Nuwa Kekila Supoha, which means making ideas or thinking about flowers or plants. So these are pictures that I've been taking of different plant life around isla territory. So let's take a look at the first one. So this is duhwa, stinging nettle, duhwa. So you can see these leaves here at the top. These two are directly across from each other, and these ones up here are also directly across from each other. So they form kind of almost a cross pattern. So that's one of the defining features of duhwa. And also if you take a look at the leaves, they have really big teeth around the edges of the leaves. And you can't really see it in the picture, but there's thorns or needles on the stem. And the leaves also have needles on the underside following these veins. So those are some of the defining characteristics of duhwa, stinging nettle. This next one is tapeas. You could also say tapeas. You can say it either way. We could actually call this tapeas polha. Tapeas polha. That would mean flower of the elderberry. So that's what this is. This is red elderberry. So we can't really call it tapeas. Well, you can call it tapeas because that refers to the whole tree, the whole bush, the plant itself. So anytime you see a word ending with A and S and has a consonant with an apostrophe on top, chances are that is having to do with a plant. So tapeas means elderberry plant. Kibat is the berries. So these have not become kibat yet. That will come later. These will eventually turn into red elderberries. Then we can call them kibat. But for now, we can either call them tapeas, which is the whole plant, the whole bush, or tapeas polha, elderberry blossoms. This next one is tapeas. So this is a fern plant. Remember what I said about words ending with as and having a consonant with an apostrophe on it. So tapeas is the fern plant. Tabam is the fern root that is also used by isla people. So tabam is the root, fern root. Tapeas is the plant above ground. This next one is lukewas. Lukewas. So you can see that the needles are flat and they're kind of sticking straight out from the branch. That's how you can tell it's lukewas. And also, if you looked at the underside of these needles, they're white. So the tops of the needles are bright green. The underside are much lighter green, almost white. So it's lukewas. 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 And this last one is dunyas. So again, we have as at the end, consonant, apostrophe on top. So that tells us it's the red cedar tree. It's the plant itself. So there are other words that have to do with red cedar that people have probably heard a lot. So if you take away this Y, then you get dunas. That refers to cedar bark that has been cut into strips. So dunas is red cedar strips. Dunyas is the whole tree, the entire tree. You might have heard another word That is, it sounds like quachtlo. Quachtlo. That is red cedar wood that has been removed from the tree. So quachtlo means it's easy to split. It has to do with with wood being split. So quachtlo is red cedar wood. Danas, red cedar strips. Duntyas, red cedar tree. So that's it for the second part of this photo series. Hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, remember, learning is its own reward. Exquiguelas. Wah.